Professional narration can completely change the quality of your videos, audiobooks, presentations, and online content. And with ElevenLabs, you can now create realistic AI narration without needing expensive recording equipment or a professional studio. So in this guide, I'll show you how to make professional narration with ElevenLabs step by step. First, write a clean and professional script. The quality of your narration depends heavily on how natural and organized your writing sounds. Next, open ElevenLabs in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you enter the dashboard, go to the text-to-speech section. One of the most important steps is selecting the right AI voice. So pick a voice style that matches your content, whether it's cinematic, educational, calm, dramatic, or conversational. Now paste your script into the text editor inside ElevenLabs. For longer narration projects, it's usually better to split the script into smaller sections. To make the narration sound realistic, use commas, pauses, spacing, and natural punctuation carefully. These small details can dramatically improve delivery and pacing, and that's your full guide on how to make professional narration with ElevenLabs. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create high-quality AI voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, and content projects.